Alright, my mention was saying ube install vMix 28 successfully. After so I download the file na now I extract it with the WinRAR software no I extract it. Alright, click it software no so now I call extract file. No I extract the file no. Ube home WinRAR file no any the way extracting it is a way say. Now I double click it so ABM. First of all no, ube double click it DirectX and so. Now I click it on yes. After hano, ebisa will say folder be mu ena on extract enkogu inti click browse ne so nefa ko to folder ko opese file na extract no aya enkogu me pese me de no code document inti ma click document ne so na ma click on okay we are no asan be click okay bi file na extract yanko document mi yanko hwe file no eno nie ena wa ha bebre no inti hwehwe setup no way DX setup eno na wo hwehwe right click so nako run as administrator click yes click the kind so I accept the agreement na click next enche files no be install it say area no we me finish ne so sanso call vMix folder no mu biem na we bie visual C runtimes no we double click so file na idi kan no install _all no right click so na click run as administrator click yes ebe install files ni nyina inti twene kakra se install wi a na waba wechi baako wi a wo antivirus no turning off for some time se oba o Windows menu ha no wa search for defender ti any virus and threat protection to bet me search for you no na wa click so eba say ya na wa call manage settings na wa turning it off on set and on click so na click yes we num nyina beda on inti we num so no obe turn you off ema no how baby ensi why we are minimizing no ye install software ni via obetumi asan turn antivirus no on why afi ye wie ni sa no vMix file na da ha say no right click also na click run as administrator click yes na click I accept the agreement na click next biem sign me a next ne so sign me aso biem afi me a install ne so software ni install into betwe ne kakra software ni install wie no baby matro say launch vMix no ohun say take box no click so na on take afi click finish we ni sa baby sa folder we crack folder no bie na right click vMix ne dem ne so na copy we are call o desktop vMix social na that desktop ne so no right click na echo open file location ewo folder ni mu no right click folder ni mu empty space ewo folder ni mu na click paste eba ni say ya click replace the file in the destination so na continue ye we are close away afei hwe vMix shortcut na that desktop ne so no we say aha dey right click sa na click open file location aha so ye the same thing paste the copy no aha say inti ba hwehwe baby a hoye empty anase open po a o keyboard ne so no mia control and v eba ne say ya click replace the file in the destination so na click continue we are obetimi close way afei obetimi ebie vMix no ade ba ko mpɛ sɛ ɔhyɛ ne nso ne sɛ wo install softwares ni nyina wie a ansa na wobɛhyɛ ase install vMix no aya restart o computer no ansa we install vMix no say na yen software na install wie ma yen hwɛ sɛ crack no aye adwuma yen kɔ settings na yen kɔ about. Alright, so crack no aye adwuma 31st January 2199 and a be expire. It means to say we be using it forever. Okay, until yen fa video bi entum na yen hwɛ sɛ bibia ye okay a Brebia Ayuma 100%. Alright. Into saying if number first I'll be installing vMix 28. Link our video description. I say which means so I'm making a comment now when they are sending.